road was older than my name, stone and dust and fallen rain. The stars above knew where to go. I was the only one who did not know. The wind spoke softly through the pines, of forgotten roads and older signs, of doors unopened, paths untread, the promises the moonlight kept. Carry the flame, carry the flame, through the dark and through the rain. Carry the flame. I came upon a place of three roads standing quietly. One turned west where shadows grew. One ran north where the cold winds blew. One disappeared beyond my sight, lost inside the waiting night. No voice answered when I called, only silence standing tall. Carry the flame, carry the flame. At the crossing, speak your name, carry the flame. There beside the weathered stone, I learned I had arrived alone. No hand to lead and not to blame, only the fire that still remained. Not in the sky and not below, not in places others know, not in signs or sacred dreams, but in this spark inside of me. Keeper of keys, open the way. Keeper of keys, open the way. Carry the flame, carry the flame. The moon was full and bright above, silver watching from beyond. The archer drew a bow of light, aimed beyond the edge of sight. Far beyond the fear I knew, far beyond what I felt secure, far beyond the walls I'd built, far beyond the weight of guilt. The arrow flew, the arrow flew, across the dark, across the blue. So I gathered all my scattered parts, the broken maps and restless hearts, the roads abandoned long ago, the seeds I never dared to sow. I gathered every silent grief, every doubt and disbelief, every ending and everything that's meant to be seen. Into the fire, into the flames, nothing leaves me quite the same. Every traveler walks alone, every path becomes their own. Every grade is crossed by choice, every soul must find its voice. Flame in my hands, road at my feet. Every ending I must meet, every ending I must meet. Moon overhead, dawn drawing near, I walk with wonder, not with fear. Carry the flame, open the way. Follow the road into becoming. Carry the flame.